So my friends out there, welcome to a new XRP update video. It's Friday, so it's time to take a look at the XRP chart again. Let's take a look at what has happened since last week, how positions may have developed and what's new here, and of course what my predictions are for the next few days to weeks. So definitely stick around until the end. But before we get started, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And of course, feel free to join the free Telegram Talk and Signal group. So rejoin there, you always get the latest info. And if you're still looking for an exchange where you can trade XRP, you can do that at my partner, Exchange BingX. You can find the link below in the video description, in the comment section. Additionally, for everyone who registers new right now, here you even get a small advantage. Because with these points, you can even celebrate Carnival. For every $1,000 in trading volume, you get 1.5 points that you can then redeem for cool prizes, trial funds, or even token vouchers. So feel free to join in, educate yourselves. Link to that is in the video description. So we're currently trading XRP at $3.10. Last week actually played out perfectly. As we had hoped, on Monday there was this quick rapid dump downwards in our pivot R1, or rather on our uptrend, which is right here. Actually, it was hit very, very well. The 200 SMA on the 4-hour chart was slightly spared, but that wasn't what I was concerned about. The main thing is that the trend is still intact, and we bounced back exactly there, where we ended up last weekend. So the XRP chart has actually been completely frozen for the past few days. If we just ignore this little dump here, with the reshape recovery, the chart looks frozen. So no new impact, no new news. Everyone is waiting to see if XRP might be listed as a state reserve. Is listed with something else while the XRP continues, or Ripple continues to sell tokens or has sent out, I believe, 10 million again. There's just not enough happening. The hype seems to have faded a bit because the new situation has noticeably calmed down, which still poses a risk. And that was our bearish scenario that we talked about last week. We're getting this dump, he caused it. We're going up, again not breaking through the golden pocket and thus initiating the next dump. But that would only happen. And now pay attention if Bitcoin also falls down. So you really need to be extremely careful with that. I would short this thing here with a relatively tight stop loss if you really want to short. I would really only do this with a stop loss. Shorting around 324 or something like that still gives you 5%, but at least limit the risk. Personally, I'm still keeping my distance here. At least let's wait and see what the weekend might still bring. But I am basically, if Bitcoin goes down a bit more, that we might see XRP drop a bit lower, but that we now go straight down to my long-term target of 1.95, or rather $2, or rather, I doubt we'll go down to 1.65 at least right now. Should Bitcoin make a huge correction now, or will the market have a complete crash? Okay, then XRP will definitely go down with it. At the moment, I would still just keep an eye on this thing. You can really try shorting with this 5% risk, also with a 3 or 5x leverage at most, and of course, be aware of your risk when you're doing this. Very, very important because XRP can move faster than you think. And you know, my sales box, that's still this whole green chunk up here. We still have room if an altcoin season comes. What I'm actually starting to expect in the next 1 to 2 weeks, could this really be the case, that we might go up into the final stage again? And then, let's say, we see this bigger crash. Those are the two options that we have, which we need to pay attention to now. Will XRP manage to sustainably get back above the golden pocket? Then that's obviously bullish, I have to say. Otherwise, it's really getting a bit tight here, in my opinion, without any new significant news. Otherwise, looking at the daily view, we're still keeping an eye on the RSI. Very high, of course, with this bearish divergence, everything actually points more towards a sell-off sooner or later. So here too, it's important to act cautiously. Actually, as I said, speaks more for short. Instead of continuing to go long, but still going short, I would limit it and not leave it open until open. Because, you know, XRP can always shoot up really quickly. Feel free to share your opinion in the comments about what you think. Right now, with XRP, you say, okay, sideline, or nah, I'm still long. Write it down below. Otherwise, I would say that's it from my side. I wish you a nice day. Take care. Until the next video then. And yes, bye-bye. And as always, stay crypto.